TV for kids.
Baby shark wakes up for school, brushes teeth, eats breakfast, ready to go. Mommy shark packs my bag, lunch inside, kiss goodbye, love you so. Daddy shark drops me off at school, say goodbye, see you soon. School is cool. In the class with teacher Whale, learning songs, counting fish, happy time. We paint pictures bright and fun, draw the sun, make a boat. Everyone, playground time, we run and slide, swing so high, hop and jump, touch the sky. Snack break time, we munch away, drink some juice, laugh and play. Best school day. Grandpa shark picks me up from school, smiling wide, hugs me tight. Home we go. Grandma shark helps me read and draw stories too. Fun all day, learning's great. Now we rest, dream of school. See you soon, dreaming soon. Navy of school.
For more fun and playful rhymes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.